Hello and welcome to lesson 6 of your function practice. This classwork may look familiar to some of you. Some of you guys started this when it was additional practice of 4, but I realized that we might need a little bit of help getting through this. So in order to complete this, you're going to have to change these verbal descriptions. That's not what I meant to do. Each of these is a verbal description. You're going to write an equation. Some of them you're doing a graph. Some of them you're doing a graph and a table. So let's start first with how we go from a verbal description to an equation. So in this case, Julia has been measuring the length of her baby's hair. The first time it was 6 centimeters long, and after 1 month it was 2 centimeters longer. So I'm going to highlight real quick. It was 6 centimeters and then 2 centimeters. Those are the two numbers that I see. And actually, we highlight them in different colors. 2 centimeters longer. If the hair continues to grow at this rate, so that's our rate. Here's 2 centimeters. What is the function that represents the hair growth? So I can tell, remember we're looking for our rate of change. Oh, sorry, we hold our slope. We're looking for our slope or our rate of change. And we are looking for our y-intercept or starting point. Well, my slope is my rate of change is right here. It's 2 centimeters longer. So my slope is 2. My y-intercept is my starting point. And it was 6 centimeters long at the beginning. So we'll take 6. So I know my slope and my y-intercept. So I'm going to put them into y equals mx plus b. M is my slope. B is my y-intercept. So I'm going to write this as y equals my slope of 2, 2x plus 6. There's my equation, and that's what goes here on this line. Then I have to do my graph. I gave you this graph. You can edit it and draw your line. So I remember that my starting point is right here is 6. So I'm just going to count up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my starting point is right there at 6. At 0 months at 6. After 1 month it goes up 2. Goes up 2. Goes up 2. And it just keeps going up 2 each time. So I can draw my line going up this way. For the next situation, I just want to show you real quick. In addition to doing the equation, it asks you to do a table. So you have to do input and output. And then you go to the next page, you can see that you have the graph underneath that. So take your time, work on this. There are, I believe, 10 problems. All of them require an equation and a graph. Some of them also require a table. I've given for each one, and you are working to complete this. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. You whatever you need.